Hello, humanity. It's your boy Death. I think it's time that we had a little heart to heart. There is no afterlife, there's only after death. When you're buried, the burnt maggots come to eat your flesh. Sooner or later, everybody ends the same quest, but you seem in a hurry to hand over your last breath. I think it's sad to see the sickness in humanity. It's like you're fascinated but sick and perverse fantasies. Why romanticize stories of species-wide genocide? Why not just celebrate the limited time you are alive? See, I've been watching you monkeys for many years. Your history's full of deceptive thoughts and red tears. I've reaped the benefits of your murderous ways and laughed. I've even enjoyed the lines about the soul you think you have. You're not morally corrupt, you're just mentally fucked. Evolve big brains, but sometimes complexity sucks, cause it allows imagination this unlimited range. Whether it's Mayan calendars or something equally strange, it's really astonishing you fuckers lasted this long. Another in-world prediction goes hilariously wrong, and there are times I get concerned with the state of global derangement. If you guys are good for nothing, you're certainly entertaining. There is no afterlife, there's only after death. When you're buried, the burnt maggots come to eat your flesh. Sooner or later, everybody ends the same quest, but you seem in a hurry to hand over your last breath. 1925 AD, Joseph Rutherford predicted it's the end we'd see. April 22nd, 1959, Florence Houghton predicted that you would not survive. Surprise, surprise, you stood alive after Gene Dixon surmised that in 1962 the world was out of time. Now fast forward about 5 decades, the same game still being played, but now I shouldn't have to explain. This shit is so lame. Half you mortals have to have your heads up in your asses, while the clever few feed off the gullibility of the masses. So now you got another one? You can't be serious. December 21st, 2012 has got me curious. How many times you gonna keep bumping your head in that wall? How many of you say the next day you didn't believe it all? See, this is getting awkward. I feel you stalking me. I'm serious, you humans should really just back up off of me. There was a time your feeble minds couldn't even grasp that I don't even exist for real, dummy. I'm just an abstract. You guys created me, personified was natural, born out of your fear of accepting the things that's actual. I've come to grips that your species is so psychotic, but this is just getting embarrassing, so please stop it. There is no afterlife, there's only after death. When you're buried, the burnt maggots come to eat your flesh. Sooner or later, everybody ends the same quest, but you seem in a hurry to hand over your last breath. There is no afterlife, there's only after death. When you're buried, the burnt maggots come to eat your flesh. Sooner or later, everybody ends the same quest, but you seem in a hurry to hand over your last breath.